Watch till the end to get the full recipe. Oh, and please do me the honor and subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you won't be stressed about what to cook and have one less thing to worry about.
Who you know went legit and made it about the hood? Who you know went legit and made it about the hood?
Okay, so this recipe is super simple, super easy. You're first gonna need a huge lobster tail. This is a 1.5 lobster tail. It's about the size of my hand. I got this from Sam's for $40. You'll need some Old Bay, some black pepper, some soy sauce, some flour, and some cooking oil. And then you're gonna need just some water. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and heat your oil up on like a medium-high heat. Then go ahead and take your lobster tail and let's clean it very, very good. Remove it from the plastic. You're gonna take a pair of kitchen shears, and look how big that is. It's like bigger than my hand. Okay, you're gonna take a pair of kitchen shears and you're just gonna cut straight down the back of it like so to expose all the meat. And then you're gonna just pull out the whole entire lobster tail. And you're gonna clean both the shell and the tail very good. Okay, then I just like to squeeze all the excess water out, and I get some paper towel and pat it dry as well. Okay, next you're just going to cut your lobster tails down the middle, and then you can fry them as big or small as you want. You can even fry them whole like this, but I like to cut them in bite-sized pieces. If you're serving more, then you can do them smaller. You can cut them in half and then cut them smaller, but I just do them in like bite-sized pieces like so. Next, you are going to season up with some Old Bay. And then go ahead and season up with a nice amount of pepper as well. And just toss those around to coat. Okay, next get a big bowl and add a cup of flour. And then just go ahead and season that up with some Old Bay and pepper as well. To that, you are going to add a half of a cup of water. And then you're gonna add a nice amount of soy sauce as well. I would say about 1/4 cup or 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then you're gonna just give that a really good stir to make a nice consistent batter, almost like a pancake batter. And then just go ahead and add your pieces of lobster in the batter and coat those up really, really good. Okay, from there, make sure your oil is hot enough and go ahead and drop your lobster bites right on in, about half at a time. Once you put your first batch in, let them cook for about 1.5 minutes. And then you're gonna just go ahead and give them a good stir around. And then you're going to let them cook for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. And then you're gonna look for this golden brown crust or batter. Go ahead and remove those from the oil, strain very good. Put on some paper towel or paper of some sort to remove all the excess oil. And then I like to take the shell and go ahead and put that in the oil. Well, after I cook my second batch, of course. And then I like to go ahead and cook the shell just for about a minute, just so it can turn orange. Flip it around. And you don't have to do this. This is literally only for decorative purposes and for serving. Then go ahead and remove that from the oil. And there you have it, my yummy fried battered lobster bites. Eat your scream. And I like to serve with some cocktail sauce and some sweet chili sauce. You can also make a tartar sauce or a butter sauce. And that's it. Let me get a tip. Go ahead, take a bite, y'all. Here's your bite. Go make this, y'all.
For all the infidels, non-believers, fuck y'all. Taking this shit to higher grounds, nigga. Let's go.